How you doing, everybody? Welcome to another episode unboxing cars. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of several police cars. So let's get back and enjoy the show. So let's start with the more basic stuff like your Hot Wheels Matchbox Mayred. We have this Aventador with the police liberty, kind of like the way police cars in Dubai would be, that type of decal. I think this is $9.99. Well, then we have this older Hot Wheels. The name is a Comeback Medic, but the decal is like a SWAT team kind of vehicle. So this is an older Hot Wheels from 2012, but this casting is a lot older than that probably. Anyway, this Comeback Medic, pretty cool. This whole thing is metal with the SWAT Team Liberty, and it has the little flame on the top. I don't think it's a treasure hunt. It's not. No. Then we have a Ford Police Interceptor from Matchbox. It's just coming out on this on the cases in 2026. Yep. Pretty cool decal. Pretty simple. Plastic base, metal body. Then we have this Audi RS6 Avant with a police decal on it. This is more like something that they would use in Europe. You don't get these ones here. Pretty basic. Black wheels. Pretty. This on the side. Name and all that fun stuff. And now we're gonna get into the more premium side of things, and let's start with another Matchbox. This the 2023 Dodge Charger Pursuit with the Texas police decal. This is part of the collection, the collector's line, which is like just a premium line for Matchbox. Now you get your rubber tires. You get this silly box, which if you don't have anything to hold the car in, I don't think it appeals to collectors, but this is a pretty cool casting. Oh, and these ones have metal body and metal base on top of the rubber tires. This is pretty cool. Painted headlights and taillights. This is for the state troopers. Pretty cool. I think this is gonna be one of my favorites. Then we move to even more premium stuff with Greenlight. And let me crack it open and then I'll be back. This one's from Whitestown Police in Indiana, I want to say. And this comes in the newest package that Greenlight has now with this display. You just twist it here. This one's Ford Interceptor again. Metal base, metal body. Pretty cool. Deco even has a license plate and a badge number right there, a car number. It's pretty cool. I have another Greenlight that I like. This one's Border Patrol, and this one comes with a opening hood. Again, metal base, metal body, full decals, and a license plate. I really like this casting a lot too. Let's compare it on size with this one, which it's a little bit skinnier, but lengthwise is the same length. But both Dodge cars. So let's put this one right here. Just like that one better, slightly better. Then we have something weird or unique. This Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG 6x6. The US police deco. I don't think I've ever seen any vehicles like this around here. Nope. But we'll crack it open and then we'll be back. Forgot to show you the back. This is from the brand era. I don't know much about this other than what you see there. Licensed product, but I kind of like this. Mercedes-Benz. I don't think they've made very many of this cars in real life. There's like 6 in total. Here's the box. Pretty long box. It's a plastic base, but everything else is metal, including this. Or is it? No, that's plastic. No license plate, but it has landslides and rubber tires, exhaust on the side, Mercedes logo to protect and steer, but it doesn't say which state it is. Do we have opening doors? Oh, we do. I didn't realize that. Not a details, but it's pretty cool. And it rolls just fine. And last but not least, this is a new model for me, or a new brand. It's the first time I purchased this brand, 596. The reason why I wanted it is because it's cool to see police cars, but it's even cooler when they make the one from your state, which this one is. Utah Highway Patrol, which is the state I'm in. The Crown Baked. I think this is the old vehicles. They don't use those vehicles anymore. They use more like the Dodges now and the Ford Interceptors. But I have seen these ones in the past. Tape. Oop. Just being stubborn. There we go. I've heard good things from YouTubers and guys that did review about this brand, so that's why I decided to give it a go when I first saw it. Here it is, the Crown Vic. It even has a license plate on the front. Lens headlights and tail lights, and again more detail in the back. Pretty cool metal base. Oh, and it's screwed, so you can take it out and look on the inside if you want it. I don't know if you can see it, but it has heating in the back. This is a really well detailed casting, and it wasn't that expensive. I think I paid $15 plus shipping. I think that's a pretty good price. Anyway, that's all the lineup that we have for today. All these police cars. I like my police cars a lot. Let me know which one's your favorite, and we'll be seeing you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.